You can't even keep your party. Let me continue read. On the day of mourning, the public should know that only authorized activities relating to the day are approved and that all social events should be postponed. So you're not even allowed, you understand, to enjoy yourself. You know what I mean? You're being forced to mourn for somebody whose foreparents brought your foreparents over here in chains. And after 400 years of oppression and slavery, not even an apology coming from she nor her family. You understand? Showing that they are sorry for your slavery and calls for reparation went unanswered. So why should we mourn? Tell you what, we here in the ISUPK and a commanding general, your honor, we won't be mourning. We will be celebrating. You understand? Yeah, man, that is what we are going to do. Celebrating the death of our enemies. This is the book of Proverbs chapter 29 and verse 2. And it says, when the righteous